Okay, my next flavor I'm going to make here is mango. And for this recipe, I'm using a base, a mango base. So I didn't have to use as much sugar or as much liquid stabilizer, and I did not have to add any citric acid. It's already in the base. And the reason I'm using less sugar is because there's already sugar in the base also, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in my machine. We have a real nice large spout on the top for putting your ingredients into the machine. Again, I want to get all my ingredients in there, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I get it all in by rinsing the bucket. And then pouring that in. Always keep a bucket under your spout. In case you forget and have your gate open, you don't get a mess and have product all over yourself and the floor. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fill my machine up with water. It's very handy to have the water hose and valve built into the machine, as you can see. Again, I'm going to fill it up to about here. Okay, I'm going to close my lid, turn my dasher on, run it for a few seconds, turn it to freeze, and push my start button on my timer. The timer is just the timer. It doesn't have any control of when the product is done. It's there to alarm you to check the product and see when it's done. Any of these flavors of water ice that you make might require a little different freeze time for each different flavor. So that's why you go by the consistency of the product and not strictly by time.